Such a musical afternoon. Everybody feels like the musics are on and it should go on. But of course, we have to put a point somewhere. So I wish all the best our team with the theme Swara under the headmanship of our endearing Deepaji and the whole board of directors. Thank you everybody for sparing your valuable time and blessing all of us so that we continue to do wonders. I put my thanks on record as the secretary of this Alpha year of IFRM chapter 3141 to Rajendra Agarwal ji, Padmanabhan Iyer ji, Anjali ji, Prasad ji, Kunal ji, Deepa ji and Sanjay ji, and all of you who really made the day melodious. Thank you each and everybody present over here. And we all learned now how we can gel our lives to melodies and make the music of life endearing and soothing to everybody around. I'm so much fortunate to have all of you here today, and thank you so much, Deepaji and everybody who is a part of IFRM for giving me this opportunity to be the secretary for this year. And I promise I'll do my best so that the chapter goes way beyond. Thank you so much. With this today, I need to share with you the next program that we have already in our pipeline. On 22nd, we are going to gather together again for the event. I would love if Deepaji pronounces it from her, because this is going to be something wonderful, Jugalbandi, that when she shared the plan for the year, that was the first thing that we are going to gather, that is on 22nd of June 2022, Rimjim. We are going to gather at Nehru Center. So, see you all there. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's all join to the lunch there on.
Just 1 minute.